To get the most life out of your home's heating and air conditioning system, you'll want to invest in periodic maintenance. Today we're in San Jose with Diamond Certified expert contributor Joey Mangano of Air Care Heating and Cooling to learn more.
A common problem that we hear from a lot of our clients is maintenance really necessary. Every manufacturer recommends annual maintenance to make sure the equipment is clean, safe to use, and running at its peak performance. Doing annual maintenance will give you more life out of the system and make sure you're getting the efficiency that you pay for.
To learn more from local top-rated companies, visit our Diamond Certified expert reports at experts.diamondcertified.org.